Hi, I'm Yuji. I'm pure 100% original Japanese. So I grew up just a rural area since I was born and raised, but I'm currently live Tokyo, Japan. I'm always there was talking to the foreigner friends, and as I love the solo travel, then so I've been 25 country before and I travel abroad, and so doing the exercise, and I love the listen rap music, US rap music, and I can teach you this authentic casual way. My lessons are suitable for beginner class and the intermediate class. If you going to visit to Japan someday, so my lesson will help you. I might share, to you, and so how do we speak English local slang word, if you want to find it in textbook, I encourage you to speak in the proactive by yourself and push yourself, by using my presentation material. So thank you very much. I wish I could I'll teach you if you're learning Japanese. I hope so. So I'll see you soon. Bye.